You are our Father, we are the clay and you are the potter. We all are formed by your hand.
Good morning, everyone.
They open.
We are going to film a music video
When you're
today.
behind the scenes.
He's the singer, he's the first cameraman.
There are too many voices. Okay, we're going to film a music video, and this fella here, hopefully he will be our camera guy to show you behind the scenes. And we are playing the whole time. Yeah. Hello. Hello. Whoa. What?
We are finally at the beach to film our music video.
Minus we are getting our beach feedback.
Yeah, so we'll show you snippets of what we do behind the scenes, but you will have to watch the full video for the full experience. So let's pray we have good weather, and it's really hazy now if you can see. So yep, hope all goes well. We'll catch you on later.
So we are going to be vlogging our beach view for now. Let's turn this camera. Let's see. Preparing for the set.
Cover of the
Cut
song,
short.
so we can take a few photos. So,
You can shoot it.
you like we. But I don't want my phone to be so obvious. So
Your
maybe
face doesn't need to be clear. I can make. Yay! Fifth date.
ready?
The sun hot. My gosh.
You can take further, you know.
Yeah. Yay. Yeah, but I need to adjust my.
Okay, guys, we have finished our recording. Nat, how was it?
I think it's pretty good. I won't know until I go home and edit.
Okay, thank
Cleaning
God
my
for good
foot.
weather. It's
Can I have a
really
nut?
hot
My other
now,
slipper?
so we're gonna have lunch. We're starving. We didn't eat breakfast. See you later. We're probably coming back to the beach.
Hopefully we manage to get enough behind the scenes.
The crows came and attacked our food.
Cha?
The glass, watermelon glass dropped already.
Uh-oh.
Do you hear me?
Cha,
What?
how was it?
It's a good experience.
Is it very hot?
Yes.
Okay. Say bye.
Bye.
Nat, bye.
Bye. Guess where we landed up? Landed up at McDonald's. We ordered cheesecake, that's our dessert.
Mommy and
Hawaiian burger.
Coffee, I went.
Who's it
Fries.
gonna share with you?
You did order the special drink? Asha said.
Open your window. Others formation, princess in same time, protagonist and save by starvation.
Amen. After lunch, we dropped by another beach. It's so hot right now. Let's see what these two people are up to. Hi! They're drawing on the sand.
They're busy at work, carving out a picture. Wow. Hi, Sha.
Oh wow, this is messy.
Hi there.
Hey, let's draw. Look at the rabbit he drew.
So cute. Beach or mountains?
Beach. Come on, let's do it. We are here to hey, can you see my face? We are headed to the swimming pool after our afternoon tea snack.
Daniel, Elisha, where are you? Hi.
Now we are chilling in the pool. After this, it's time for dinner.
Bye.
Before our dinner, we decided to record some worship music like on the rooftop over here. And we just finished. Oh, it's really dark. We managed to catch the sunset. And now we are heading back to our room. Wait, where are we supposed to go? And after this, we're probably gonna get dinner. We have found ourselves in the Macallum street food night market. The trail of trucks and food and traders is immersed.
Want a drink?
Okay. We managed to get a table at the side of the road, and so far we have gotten some noodles.
You can try eat.
Some finger food, even some fruits at the fruit stall earlier. All food has arrived.